Danse nisika sun Kaylene Gitze mukman asaniwatsi sig utinia. Hello everyone, my name is Kaylene Big Knife. I am from Rocky Boy, Montana, home to the Chippewa Cree tribe, and I warmly and excitedly welcome you all to the Digital Storytelling for Indigenous Languages workshop hosted by the American Indian Language Development Institute. I am co-facilitating with Dr. Wilson Silva, so welcome to my series of the workshop. Each section of this series that I'm instructing will be broken down into its own video lesson, so we have a lot to cover, and with that, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and back out of this. Step number 1, I need you all to go to adobe.com. So here's the first look at adobe.com. We will be using the free trial. So as you can see here in this ad, it says start free trial. It is a 7-day free trial. So I have to caution all of you to cancel your subscription. Unfortunately, it will charge you after the end of the 7 days, but I will remind you, for those who are affiliated and have an email account with the University of Arizona, will have free access to the software. There's different prices for it. So the software itself is Adobe, but the technical name is Adobe Creative Cloud. So going up here to Creativity and Design, right here it says, what is Creative Cloud? It's essentially an umbrella of multiple software programs. And the two software programs that we will be using for this workshop are Adobe Illustrator and Adobe InDesign. So I want to quickly go over and hit view plans and pricing. So in case some of you decide to purchase this software subscription, this is kind of the price range. So individuals for all apps, there's 20 plus apps, is $52.99. However, if you are a student and teacher such as myself, you can get a special pricing of $19.99 a month, but that is only for the first year. After the second year, you will be required to pay $29.99, which is what I currently pay. Some universities have free subscriptions, so I encourage you all to ask if your university sponsors these individual licensing. And I'm gonna back out to the very first page. You can click start free trial, go ahead and hit sign in, create your own username. I'm gonna go ahead and log in with my personal one. Actually, let me go back and I'm going to use my Gmail account. So my Gmail account actually does not subscribe to this Adobe Creative Cloud Suite, so it would be as if I am a person just now purchasing this software package. So you can hit upgrade now or download free trial, or you can go down here and hit start free trial. So, start free trial, and then again it's $19.99 a month. So I'm going to let everyone finish this on their own, and I'm going to exit out. So once you get everything set up on your account, it will prompt you to download the Adobe Creative Cloud. So once you have Adobe Creative Cloud installed, this is the app. So go ahead and double click, open it, and you will be first taken to a tab called All Apps. This is my personal account, so you can see I already have quite a few software programs installed onto my computer. To repeat, we are going to be using Adobe Illustrator, which is this icon right here, and we will be using Adobe InDesign, which is this icon right here. What yours will most likely look like if you haven't installed Adobe Creative Cloud ever, you'll get this huge line of software programs such as this, and you simply go by the ones that you want to install and simply hit install and follow the prompts. Very quickly, before we end this first section of the lesson, I want you all to take notice of how there are different programs for different types of things that Adobe Creative Cloud covers. So there's a software program for video. There's a software program for 3D and AR, which is augmented reality. Super cool stuff. I just encourage you all to check all of these software programs out there because they're so amazing and incredible. So yeah, once you get Adobe Illustrator and Adobe InDesign installed onto your computer, I will have you open Adobe Illustrator for me so we could start exploring setting up our workspace as well as our tools in the next section of this series. So I'll see you then.